So you want to start making money on your YouTube channel from day one, which sounds pretty crazy, right? Because a lot of the time people think you need years of experience. You need millions of views and a lucky break to start your earnings on the platform of YouTube. But what if I told you that is not true? Because the reality is there are creators out there that are just starting their channels and they're making money. And this is even before they qualify for AdSense, which is just essentially getting paid by YouTube. And the problem here is that most beginners go about YouTube the wrong way. They upload random videos and then they cross their fingers and they hope something hits it big. And then after a few weeks of just posting random content, they give up because they're like, hey, my videos are not doing good, which understandable. I can get how that could be frustrating. But here's the truth. Success on YouTube is not about luck. It is all about strategy. And I believe there are 4 key elements to running a successful YouTube channel. The first element is going to be high quality content. If your content is not engaging, if it is not providing value, people are going to click off of your video. And this doesn't mean that you need a fancy camera or a Hollywood level setup. This just means you need to be creating content that is providing real value. Chances are you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to make money on your YouTube channel from day one. Now this could be whether your video is educational, maybe it's entertaining, or maybe it's providing some new value on a topic. Another key aspect of a successful YouTube channel is going to be promotion. You can't just upload one video and hope that people magically find it. That's just not going to be how it works. You need to actively share this video, optimize it for the search engines, and get it right in front of the correct audience, your target audience. Another aspect is going to be consistency, and I always love to say consistency is key, because consistency builds trust with your audience. People can be like, oh, well, I can expect for this person to be posting content on Wednesdays and Mondays. Or, oh, I can expect a new video on Fridays from this creator. If you disappear for months in between uploads, people are going to start forgetting about you. And it also shows YouTube's algorithm that you are serious about growing an audience, so they will push your content more so. Lastly, engagement is what turns casual viewers into subscribers and also paying customers. And you can boost your engagement by doing things such as replying to comments, asking questions, and building a community around your content is what makes a channel thrive. Now here's the best part. YouTube is not just about ad revenue. A lot of the time when people think about running a successful YouTube channel and making money with a YouTube channel, they think about getting paid by YouTube directly. And they think of that as the only way to be making money with their YouTube channels, which can get a little bit frustrating because in order to get paid by YouTube, you need to qualify for YouTube's partner program, which is going to be 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And although I know this cannot happen overnight, we can speed up this process with the correct strategy, but there are ways to monetize your channel from day one that go beyond ad revenue. And this is where affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and offering different services come into play. And these are just a few of the ways that you could start making money with a channel from day one. And this is before YouTube themselves ever pay you a dime. So within this video, I'm gonna go kind of step by step on how I would set up a YouTube channel that is going to make money from day one. So let's just jump right into this. But before you create a video, before you even hit record, or before you even start finding stock photos and videos to put together for your channel, you need to answer one critical question. And that question is going to be, what is your channel even about? Picking the correct niche can make or break your YouTube success. And I cannot stress this enough. If you choose wisely, then you'll have a dedicated audience that is ready to come back to your channel and maybe even buy products from you. If you choose poorly, you'll be stuck making videos that nobody cares about, nobody clicks on, and you will be making 0 sales, which is not exactly the best way to make money. So what exactly makes a profitable niche? Well, it needs to check 3 boxes. The first box is going to be the niche actually interests you. Because if you don't care about your niche, you are going to burn out fast, believe me. Number 2, it attracts an audience. Because without viewers, to be honest, you're not gonna have any business. And number 3, it has a money-making potential. Because let's be honest, you are also here to get paid, not just to rack up views. Some of the most lucrative niches that I have found include health, wealth, relationships, psychology, travel, and technology. But those are just a few of them. But why exactly does this matter? Well, a specific audience equals loyal followers, which results in overall more money. And brands love niche creators because they're going to be more prone to sponsor these creators and put ads on their videos, because these niche creators are targeting a specific audience, such as if somebody is promoting a lip gloss, they're going to want to promote that lip gloss on a beauty niche channel. Now, if you're wondering how you can find your perfect niche without spending hours of research on doing so, this is where a tool called TubeMagic comes into play. And TubeMagic helps you identify profitable niches, and in fact, I'm just going to show you what I mean by this. Here I have TubeMagic pulled up, and let's say I was starting a new channel and I was confused on which niche to go with. Something that I would do is I would go into the niche Explorer. Within the niche Explorer, you can see all of these different niches, and you can also see their RPM, which is very crucial because it's going to be showing how much money that you're going to be making with this niche. And then something that I like about this is it also gives you an example channel within the niches. Let's say I was interested in the making money online niche. Here, it's going to take me to a channel called Make Money Matt. And wow, I have never heard of this person in my life, but I think we kind of look alike, maybe? I'm kidding, it's my brother. But there's only one channel that is better than this channel in the making money online niche, and this is going to be Kaylas Cash's channel. Kaylas Cash, which she looks familiar to, but I'm not quite sure why. Anyways, back to the niche Explorer, and I like how all of the niches are broken down into sub-niches because we have the health category here, natural health, general health, medical, yoga, nutrition, workouts. Then we've got wealth, cryptocurrency, luxury, economics, psychology, criminal psychology, empaths. Let's say I was interested in the psychology niche, but mostly interested in the productivity niche. And look, $15 RPM, so I'm gonna click on that. And here I've got an example channel, and I can see their videos, I can see how their channel's doing, look at the most popular videos, look at that 1 million views. But this tool is super helpful when it comes to picking a niche for your channel. Something you can also do is conduct some video research, which means, let's just say I wanted to make a make money online video. I would hit search now, and now it's going to show me videos that were posted recently and videos that are also getting a lot of views in those niches that are posted recently. So like 1 day ago, 23,000 views. So this just basically gives you a good idea on what other creators are posting within the niche that you're interested in. And then you can see, hey, would I like making this kind of content or would I not? And at the end of the day, the best niche for you is going to be 1, the niche that excites you, 2, has an audience, and 3, makes financial sense. All right, so let's say you've picked out the niche for your channel. Now it's time to set up our monetization strategy here. Because if you want to make serious money on a YouTube channel from day one, affiliate marketing is a game changer. But let me warn you here, because not all affiliate products are created equal. The key to maximizing your earnings is going to be promoting high payout commission products, which just allows you to essentially make more money with fewer sales, which sounds amazing, right? And one of the smartest moves even further is going to be choosing digital products. But unlike physical products, digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and softwares typically offer a higher commission rate. And this is because they have lower overhead costs. This just means that sellers can afford to share more of the affiliate product to creators, and creators can take this affiliate link and promote it to the world. Also, online products usually go at a higher selling point and higher commission, so it's the perfect match. So instead of just grinding for pennies on these low ticket items, you can make big commissions with just a handful of sales when it comes to digital products, specifically online courses, I would say. But where exactly can we find these high paying affiliate products? You could start by checking out ClickBank or Digistore24, which are 2 of the biggest affiliate networks for specifically digital products. And these platforms offer thousands of different products across so many different niches, so trust me, there's going to be a product within your niche. I mean, we're talking finance, self-improvement, health, technology, and etc. The list goes on. And both of these platforms allow you to filter products based on their commission rates and popularity, which is just going to overall help you find the best products to get the most bang for your buck, even though you're not paying. Now, when it comes to choosing products, here is the golden rule that I have found. I would be aiming for commissions that earn you around $250 per sale. And while lower price items might seem to be a little bit easier to sell, trust me, it is not going to be worth it in the long term if you want to get a substantial income. In fact, let me just break it down for you. If you're promoting a digital course that costs $1,000, and let's say you're getting a 25% commission, that is going to be $250 per sale. On the other hand, let's say you're promoting a $50 product with a 10% commission, you're gonna only be earning $5 per sale, which just means you would need 50 sales of the low ticket product to match just one sale of the high ticket course. So let me ask you again, which one sounds easier? And by focusing on high commission digital products, you are going to be working smarter, not harder, and your future self is going to thank you. All right, so now let's say we've picked out the niche for our channel and we found a digital product to promote with our videos. But where are our videos? And one of the biggest mistakes that new YouTubers make when it comes to actually creating their content is just creating the wrong content that nobody is searching for. Trust me, you do not want to waste time creating videos that nobody is actively searching for. Instead, you need to kind of do a little reverse engineer success, which is going to be finding out what is already working within your niche and modeling your content off of that. But how do we do that? Well, we can do that with my little friend, keyword research. Think of keywords as kind of your secret weapon when it comes to understanding your audience. They show you exactly what people are searching for, what is trending within your niche, and how competitive a topic is. And a great place you can do that is also going to be TubeMagic. As you can see, they literally have a section called keyword research. So let's say make money online was my niche, and I only say this because my other channel, Kaylas, well actually I don't know who that is, so never mind. I just want to be her so bad. Here we go, we've got the search volume, the competition, and the magic score for the keyword. Make money online for the make money online niche has a very high search volume, which would make sense because if you're making videos about making money online, putting the keywords make money online would be a good idea. A lot of people are also searching for how to make money online. And then we've got how to make money online as a teenager. And then we've got incorporating a year into the mix. And this, it says it's still in beta, so more features are going to be coming soon, which is good to know. But this gives me a good idea on what people are searching within this niche. Let's just say, hypothetically, I wanted to make a history channel. I would go into the niche explorer, I'd search up history, and I'd find my example channel. And then I pull up this example channel, it's called Cynical Historian. And then I'm gonna take their handle, I'm gonna copy that, bring it back on over to TubeMagic, go onto tools, and then I'm gonna go to video ideas. And then I'm going to paste that handle right into here, hit generate. Now it is analyzing that channel and it is going to give me video ideas based on that example channel. So here we go. When historians get it wrong, infamous blunders in history books. Generate again. Why Ancient Aliens is historical nonsense. Why Manifest Destiny is a misleading myth. Conspiracy theories through history, from paranoia to propaganda. And then let's say I wanted to make this video, I wanted to bring it to life, I would just hit write script, do a general script, 800 words, hit generate, or I could do more words, less words, I can make it a how-to video, and now it is going to generate a script for me. And just like that, here we go. It is writing my script. I've got an introduction on conspiracy theories, historical roots of conspiracy theories, the role of paranoia. Can somebody tell me how to say roots? It is roots, I know, but I kept saying roots. And I don't know where that came from and I don't know how I picked it up. Anyways, the role of paranoia, conspiracy theories in the modern era, conspiracy theories as propaganda, the cultural impact of conspiracy theories, and a conclusion. Here we go. Full script in just a few seconds. Now finding the right topic for your video is half the battle, because the next step is going to be making sure that your video actually gets found. And this is where search engine optimization comes into play. It is going to save the day for us. So let's talk about how you can optimize your videos for maximum visibility. First off, you need to make your title keyword rich but also catchy. And if you needed to do that, hey, I know a great tool. We could go over here, do video titles, say what our video is going to be about. This video is about alien stories, for an example. I don't know, top of my head. Hit generate. Alien encounters, stories that will shock you, mysterious alien tales, believe it or not. And all of these titles are going to be very keyword rich, ensuring that YouTube is going to be putting your content out to the correct audience. And then let's just say unsolved UFO mysteries, what aren't they telling us? I like this one. This one is good. Let's say I didn't like these. I'd hit generate again and I could just go on until I find one that I love. And I also love how they capitalize some of the keywords, such as alien, explain, strangest, encounters, just to intrigue people. But you don't stop at optimizing just your title. You need to optimize your tags and your descriptions as well. Something that we could do within TubeMagic is we could go generate our title, generate our description, and generate our tag, or we could do it all in one go. This video is about alien stories. And then I'm gonna hit generate. And here it generates my titles for me, a description for me, and video tags that people are searching for within the scary alien niche. Lastly, you need to optimize your thumbnails as well, and we can do this by incorporating keywords within our thumbnails, having bold text. If you're having a person in your thumbnail, make sure they're having a fun emotion where people are like, ooh, I kind of want to click on that video because she looks scared. Your thumbnail is going to be the first thing that people see when it comes to your video, so make sure to make it count. Now, do you want to know the biggest secret to ranking on YouTube? Well, that is going to be watch time. If people click on your video, but then they leave after 3 seconds, YouTube is not going to promote your content. So you need to keep your viewers engaged by 1, hooking your viewers within the first 10 seconds, so no boring intros, 2, using fast-paced edits, zooms, and graphics to keep the video interesting, and 3, encouraging interaction. You don't want people to be scared to comment on your videos. Encourage it. You could be like, hey, this is my question of the day. Make sure to answer it. I actually love when YouTubers used to do that because I'd be like, oh my gosh, they kind of care. I'm like, they want to hear from me? I feel so special. And then when you're posting your content, also make sure to incorporate those affiliate links. So find that high-paying product to promote, include your affiliate link in your video description, and then you get paid every time somebody clicks your link. And this means you do not need millions of views to make money with a channel. You just need a sale here and there. Now, most people fail on YouTube because they do not have a specific plan. I hope I was able to lay out a little bit of a plan, but I also want to talk about common mistakes that you guys need to be avoiding. One mistake is going to be promoting low quality products. And just because a product has a high commission doesn't mean it is an amazing product that everybody should buy. In fact, promoting bad products will kill your credibility as a creator. Always make sure to test and research before recommending something. Even better if you have tried out the product yourself. Another mistake is not being transparent with your audience. If you're getting paid to promote something, people do like it when you disclose that. Audiences appreciate honesty, and hiding things like sponsorships can ruin trust. The last mistake is going to be giving up too soon. Growing a YouTube channel, it does take time and effort. And most creators quit right before they start gaining traction. So make sure you are staying consistent. And with the right strategy, I believe you guys will be able to grow your YouTube channels faster than if you didn't have a strategy and you were just guessing. Now, once you start posting your videos, make sure that you are tracking your results. And this is where YouTube's platform itself, YouTube Analytics, is going to show you a few things. They're going to show you what is working for you and what is not working for you, so you can avoid those bad ideas. They're also going to show you where people drop off on your videos. So then you can be like, hey, what did I say in this video that people were like, ugh, I'm bored. Maybe you were pausing too much, or maybe your intro wasn't engaging enough. And then they also show you which topics bring in the most views and revenue. So please make sure you are using this data to tweak your strategy, improve your engagement, and overall increase your earnings. My pro tip here is if a video does well, double down on that idea. If people loved your alien stories and you're within the scary niche, keep making alien stories. Another thing to be aware of is updating your old descriptions with your new affiliate links that you're promoting. That way, if somebody watches a video of yours a year ago, you still have that up-to-date affiliate link that you're wanting to promote. You could also consider repurposing your content into YouTube Shorts just to have some extra engagement as well. Finally, YouTube success is about strategy, not about luck. Most new YouTubers quit too soon because they're not making money right away. But you do not have to struggle, because we've learned with the right ideas, smart optimization with tools such as TubeMagic, and a proven monetization strategy, you can start making money on your YouTube channel from day one. So if you're serious about making money with your YouTube channel and you are tired of guessing, make sure to check out TubeMagic in the description below. And it is seriously my favorite tool when it comes to growing a YouTube channel, because there are so many different tools within this just one platform. So if you're serious about making money with a YouTube channel and you are tired of guessing, make sure to sign up for TubeMagic below for a free trial. You won't want to miss it. And it is seriously my favorite tool when it comes to running a YouTube channel because of all of the features that it has to offer. And make sure to check out this free training for making money with AI and with YouTube. Make sure to check it out, and we'll see you guys there.